Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's make something healthy, delicious, and perfect for colder months. Let's make that spicy slow cooker chicken tortilla soup.
All right, let's make a spicy slow cooker chicken tortilla soup. Today, we are making spicy crock pot chicken tortilla soup. It's not gonna be quick, obviously, because nothing in the slow cooker crock pot is, but it's gonna be super easy, healthy, and delicious. So hey, without further ado, let's go. So first thing we're gonna do is dice some veggies. So first we got a few jalapenos. So I'm just gonna take the tops off and dice these guys. Now, because it's a soup, I'm not gonna go with too fine of a dice because you still want, you want some of your veggies in there. If you like heat, leave it all in. If you like some heat, you can actually take the seeds and the insides out and then dice it. Or if you don't like heat, leave it out and maybe use some bell peppers or something that's less spicy. But jalapenos aren't that bad. Next, we would dice an onion, but since I'm keeping this dog friendly for Nash, I'm gonna sub in. Usually I sub jalapenos for onions, but we already got jalapenos, so I'm gonna sub in a red bell pepper. But if you are not trying to make yours dog friendly, go ahead and use an onion. So dice a yellow or white onion. Yeah, so use one onion. I'm using 2 peppers just because peppers are hollow, onions aren't. So now to our crock pot, we're gonna add all of our veggies. Red and the green, looks like Christmas. Look at that. Then we add 2 or 3 cloves of minced garlic, then a few chicken breasts or thighs over the top of that. And about a tablespoon of taco seasoning. You can use the packaged stuff or you can make your own. I'll put a recipe down below on how to do that. 2 teaspoons of cumin, some salt, and pepper to taste. And then on top of that, we put in 3 cups of enchilada sauce over the top. And again, you can use the canned stuff from the store, or I'll post a link down below on how to make your own. And then 3.5 cups of chicken broth. This is actually the last of my turkey broth, but they're kind of interchangeable. Then we just put a lid on this guy, and we either cook on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for 4 to 6. So it's already afternoon time, so I'm gonna go high for 4 to 6 hours, and we'll see you in a few. When our soup is almost done cooking, we're gonna go ahead and chop up some cilantro. And then we can go ahead and turn off our soup. Then you want to come in here, and if your chicken hasn't already shredded itself, you want to take a couple of forks and go shred the chicken, but we left ours on for a little bit longer than I probably should have, so the chicken just pretty much shredded itself. Then to this, we are going to add 2 cups of cooked white rice. I'm a dummy and all I had was sushi rice, so I don't recommend doing this, but that's what this is. That cilantro we just chopped, the zest of a lime, the juice of that same lime, and we just go ahead and stir this all together. Now before you serve, you just want to taste a little bit and make sure your seasoning's all good. This one tastes great. So now we're ready to serve. And we just take a bowl, ladle some of that in there. And then we top this with some crumbled tortilla chips, a little bit of grated cheese, a few avocado slices, a dollop of sour cream, and then just a little bit more cilantro. And there we go. And there we have our spicy chicken tortilla soup. Time for a bite. Cheers. It's really, really good. It's just a touch spicy. Kind of your classic chicken tortilla soup. It's freaking delicious. You get some substance from the rice. Then you get the chicken and the veggies and all those jalapenos and the spices. It just really works. It takes a while because it's a crock pot recipe, but I mean, the actual time you spend doing anything is very little. So you could just throw this together in the morning and you have a healthy dinner for the family when you get home. Super duper easy. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. Go try this. But hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good and ready to put something warm and delicious in my belly.
We got this slow cooker spicy chicken tortilla soup that you wanted. Here you go. Oh, we're dripping. What do you think?
Yum. That's fire. Warm, delicious comfort food for a cold, gloomy day.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
A man who carries a cat by the tail learns something he can learn in no other way.
Nash approves, I approve. Look, super easy to make, healthy and delicious dish. 10 out of 10, would highly recommend. It's a classic, go make it. And it can either be a meal or it can go with a meal. It's up to you. The choice is yours. Choose your own adventure. Thank you so much for watching, really means a lot. We really appreciate you, love you all. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to like, share, and subscribe, that'd help us out. Would really mean a lot. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to make, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that down in the comments. Or head over to our website, timschaoskitchen.com, send us a message there. And hey, just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Until next time, peace.